Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access benefits information in Gusto. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Gusto account. Now start by logging into your Gusto account using your employee login credentials. Step 2 is going to be to head to the benefits tab. Now once inside your dashboard, you want to navigate to the benefits tab. It's usually found on the left hand menu or within your profile area. Step 3, view your current benefits. Now here you're going to see a breakdown of all your enrolled benefits like medical, dental, vision, 401k, HSA, FSA, and even commuter benefits if your employer offers them. Step 4, explore plan details. Now you can click into any benefits to see coverage details, provider information, plan documents, and contribution amounts, both yours and your employer's. Step 5, make updates if applicable. Now if your employer allows it, you might also be able to make open enrollment changes or update your benefits during qualifying life events. And that's all it takes to stay up to date on benefits with Gusto. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.